how to unsend all Instagram messages at once or whether it's possible to do that or not. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Instagram on a device. Then tap on message at the top right corner. Then open up your chat. Then tap and hold the message. Then tap on more. Now as you can see, there is no option to select the messages. So unfortunately, you cannot delete more than one messages at once. But instead, you can simply go back, tap and hold the conversation, and tap on delete. But remember, this will only delete the message for you. To delete the message for both of them, you need to go to the message, tap and hold the message, and tap on unsend. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.